This topic we are detailedly discussed about chordata. The phylum of chordata are group of particular interest to use as we belong to each being members of the subphylum Vertebrata. The chordates include all of the vertebrates, fishes, amphibians, reptiles, mammals, birds, but also two non-vertebrate subphyla, Urochordata and Cephalochordata. The chordates were in the 19th century considered to have been derived from proteostome ancestors, the annelids mollusks arthropods group. However, a better understanding of embryology shows that chordates are detrosomes and the invertebrates. They are most closely related to the echinodermata, sea stars, sand dollars, sea urchins, hemichordata. The following chordate characters are bilateral symmetrical animals, diploplastic animals, have a well-developed coelometric animals, have a complete digestive system of chordata. Germ layers of triploplastic organism. So entoderm, ectoderm, mesoderm, three layers are found to be chordate species. The ectoderm, innermost germ layer of embryo from the gut, liver, pancreas. The ectoderm, outer layer of the early embryo surround the blastoceles, forms outer epithelium body and nervous system. The mesoderms are third germ layer formed in gastrula between ectoderm and endoderm. The coelom forms in the mesoderm. The mesoderm gives rise to connective tissue, muscles, urogenital and vascular system or peritoneum. The coelom. The coelom is cavity entirely surrounded by mesoderm. A coelom provides a tube within a tube arrangement which has many advantages. 5 distinctive characters of chordates. The 5 distinct characters separate the chordates from all other phylums. Notochord, single dorsal tubular neurochord, pharyngeal pouches, slides, endostyle, posternal tile. Not all of these characters are apparent in the adult organisms and may appear only in the embryonic or larval stages. Notochord. The notochord is a flexible roll-like structure. It extends the length of body and is an anchor point for muscles. The notochord bends without shortening, permits the animal to unrotate. The notochord, the non-vertebrates and the jawless vertebrates, the notochord is present throughout life. However, in the jawed vertebrates, it is replaced by the vertebral column, the remains of the notochord being found in the vertebral discs. The pharyngeal pouches and slides. The pharyngeal slides occur in the aquatic chordates and lead from the pharyngeal cavity to the outside. The water containing food is drawn in throughout the mouth by cilia and exits via pharyngeal slides where the particles are trapped in mucus. In tetrapods, the pouches give rise during the development to a variety of structures, including the middle air cavity, eustachian tube, and tonsils. The fossil tile, some musculature and the notochord, enterable larval tunicates, amphioxus to swimming. The postnal tile evolved to allow organism to swim. Its efficiency has been enhanced by the addition of fins. The postnal tile present only vestigial form of humans. Orthoctylus all are the widespread among vertebrates. The classification of chordata, the subphylum Urochordata, tunicates, subphylum of Cephalochordata, Translate Cephalava, vertebrata, fishes, amphibians, reptiles, birds, mammals, and etc. Subphylum Urochordata. The Urochordata tunicates named for a duck tunic that surrounds the adult look like most unpromising candidate to be chordates and relatives of vertebrates. The largest group of ascidians or sea squids, adults or marine sessile filter feeding organisms that live either solitarily colonies. The Urochordates, beside the Ascidians, there are two other classes of Urochordates, the Larvaceae and Thalaceae. Both are small, transparent planktonic forms. Thalaceans are cylindrical or spindle shaped, whereas Larvaceans are tadpole-like, resemble an Ascidian larva. So generally, the amphibians cover the lacks of several characteristics that biologists, thin ancestor of vertebrates, possessed. These include chambered heart, muscular gut and pharynx, list of continuous and next slide, triparative brain, forebrain, midbrain and hindbrain protected by the cranium. The various facial sensory organs, eyes, chemical and pressure receptors, neural crust, ectodermal cells that are found on the embryonic neural tube and engaged in the formation of cranium, tooth, dentine, some endocrine glands and swan cells which provide myelin insulation to the nerve cells. Thank you. Thank you to all.